Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 7.1 question number 3. Identify the error if any. This is 1 by 2, right? The question is this is 1 by 2. Now here you see this is 1 by 2. You have to remember that this is not correct. Why? This part and this part is not equal, right? Therefore this is 1 by 2 is wrong. This is the wrong. All parts are, the answer will be all parts are not equal. All parts are not equal. Therefore, representing 1 by 2 is wrong. Here also you say that 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here also all parts are not equal. Therefore, this 1 by 4 doesn't represent this one. This is also wrong because all parts are not equal. Here also you see 3 by 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? But all the parts are not equal. Therefore, this 3 by 4 is wrong. In fraction, you have to know that all the parts should be equal. Only then fraction can be said, right? If all the parts are not equal, then it cannot be written as a fraction, right? That means here the answer is, what is the error? That all parts are not equal. That is the solution of question number 3, exercise 7.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.